Kitty, videotaping, please. Don't make a noise. My cat always like making this attention, um, in YouTube, and it starts, you know, whining. So here we go. Let's just try. So funny. I thought I was filming it, but I did not. Oh gosh, it's so funny. Anyway, so here we go. I did whole. I used this one, the small, the small thing, and this one. And I'm gonna do like. I'm gonna do just. I think just one hole is fine, as long as you know. And just. All right, let me do this. As you can see from here, you think I'm Einstein, so let me see. I'm just playing with it really right now. But I did. So if I can do it, you can do it too. Summer, what is wrong with my dog and my cats? They know like I'm filming, then they start making noise. Oh, so hold on. Here we go. Stuck on you. And I make it big a little bit. And it looks fine. Let's see. So I can see. All right, looks pretty good. We're gonna see. I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna put something in it. Okay. Here at outside looks pretty good.